If you have ever found it difficult to keep your digital files organized, manage document approvals efficiently, or handle repetitive manual tasks, then this guide is exactly what you need. In today's video, we are going to explore Docuware, one of the most reliable and widely used document management and workflow automation platforms available today. Whether you are a small business owner, an office administrator, or someone who simply wants to simplify how documents are handled, this step-by-step walkthrough will guide you through everything you need to know. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of how Docuware works and how it can improve efficiency, reduce manual effort, and help you stay organized. So, let's get started. Docuware is a document management system, commonly referred to as a DMS, designed to help businesses digitize, organize, and secure their documents and workflows. Its main purpose is to replace outdated paper-based processes with a more efficient and modern digital system. Instead of dealing with physical files and storage cabinets, everything is managed in a centralized digital environment. This approach not only makes document handling faster, but also ensures better security and easier access. One of the strongest aspects of Docuware is its ability to combine multiple features into a single platform, allowing businesses to streamline their operations without relying on multiple separate tools. The core functionality of Docuware can be found within its platform section, where you will see three key areas: the platform itself, its capabilities, and the integration options. Starting with the platform section, if you navigate to Docuware Cloud, you will see how the system provides a cloud-based solution for managing documents. This means you can store, organize, and process files online without needing to install anything on local servers. The cloud solution offers secure access from anywhere, automated workflows for document handling, and built-in features such as digital approvals, data capture, and document indexing. This makes it ideal for businesses that want flexibility and remote accessibility. Next, there is the cloud and on-premises deployment section, which explains the two ways you can use Docuware depending on your needs. The cloud version allows you to access everything online through secure servers, while the on-premises option involves installing the system on your own company's servers. The cloud solution is great for businesses that want easy access and minimal setup, while the on-premises version is better for organizations that require full control over their data, security settings, and system configurations. Moving on to the features and capabilities section, this is where you will find the key functionalities that make Docuware so powerful. One of the main features is document storage and organization. All your files are stored securely and can be easily searched and retrieved whenever needed. Another important feature is workflow automation, which allows you to automate processes such as approvals, document routing, and data handling. Additionally, Docuware offers document indexing and data capture, where important information is extracted from documents to make searching faster and more accurate. Docuware also provides mobile applications, which allow users to access and manage documents on the go using smartphones or tablets. Security is another critical feature, as the platform ensures that all data is protected through encryption, access controls, and strict permission settings. Furthermore, the compliance and certification features ensure that Docuware meets industry standards and legal requirements, making it a reliable choice for businesses that need to follow strict regulations. Within the capabilities section, you will find additional tools such as electronic invoicing, intelligent document processing, intelligent indexing, workflow management, task management, document import, electronic signatures, and electronic forms. These features work together to create a complete solution for handling documents and automating workflows efficiently. Another major advantage of Docuware is its integration capabilities. The platform can easily connect with popular software such as Microsoft Office, Outlook, SAP, QuickBooks, and SharePoint. This allows you to automate document-related tasks within your existing systems, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Since Docuware supports both cloud and on-premises setups, you can access your documents from anywhere using a web browser or mobile device. When it comes to pricing, Docuware does not provide fixed plans publicly. Instead, you need to request a demo to receive a customized pricing plan. This approach allows the company to tailor solutions based on your business size, requirements, and goals. The demo also gives you a chance to explore the platform and see if it fits your needs before making a commitment. If you want to experience the platform firsthand, You can start with the guided tour feature. By clicking on the Start Tour option, you can explore different functionalities in a practical way. For example, you can simulate processing an invoice as a purchase order. In this scenario, you can import an invoice through email, upload it manually, or let the system upload it automatically. Once the document is added, Docuware automatically extracts important details such as line items, totals, and company information. This reduces manual work and minimizes errors. After processing, the document is stored digitally within the system. Docuware also performs duplicate checks to ensure that the same document is not processed multiple times. If a duplicate is detected, the system triggers specific actions to handle it. Once stored, the document moves through an automated workflow. For instance, an invoice can be matched with a purchase order and packing slip. If all the details match correctly, the process continues automatically without requiring manual input. Another helpful feature is the automatic assignment of general ledger codes. This simplifies accounting processes and ensures that financial data is accurate. Once everything is completed, the document is ready to be integrated into your ERP system for payment processing. This entire workflow demonstrates how Docuware simplifies complex processes and improves efficiency. One of the biggest benefits of using Docuware is the immediate return on investment. By digitizing documents, businesses can reduce storage costs and eliminate the need for physical filing systems. Faster document retrieval speeds up decision-making, allowing teams to work more effectively. The platform also increases productivity by automating repetitive tasks and reducing manual effort. Docuware also improves workflow management by organizing documents and automating processes. For example, a purchase invoice can be automatically sent from accounts to a manager for approval, and then forwarded to the accounting department. Each step is tracked digitally, ensuring transparency and accuracy. This reduces delays and improves overall efficiency. Another key advantage is accessibility. Once documents are stored digitally, they can be accessed anytime and from anywhere. This is particularly useful for remote teams or businesses with multiple locations. Employees no longer need to search through physical files, as everything is available instantly within the system. If you want to learn more about Docuware, you can visit trusted review platforms such as Capterra. These websites provide user reviews, ratings, and comparisons with other tools, helping you make an informed decision based on real experiences. In conclusion, Docuware is a powerful and comprehensive solution for managing documents and automating workflows. It provides essential features that help businesses reduce manual work, improve efficiency, and maintain secure document handling processes. Whether you are dealing with invoices, employee records, or general business documents, this platform offers a reliable and scalable solution. If you are looking for a tool that simplifies document management, automates repetitive tasks, and boosts team productivity, Docuware is definitely worth considering. That brings us to the end of this tutorial, and that's it. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.